We're trying to build a better future, and it starts with them. We're doing a project-based internship, which is kind of different than normal internships in general, and we're helping them get ready for the real world. They've been able to handle everyday tasks as a field project engineer, which is fantastic. They've done everything from RFI, submittals, ordering materials, checking drawings. We teach things that you can't learn in school. We teach them invaluable lessons like time management, how to collaborate.
So my mentor during this internship was Kaylin. She knows a lot, and it was very helpful, and she would answer any question I had. So I was in the Navy. I was in the Seabees, which is the construction side of the Navy. So for me, I've had a lot of time in the field and being able to go into the office and dive into the numbers of the project and see how you start with your budget and then put in different cost controls to help manage that and keep from exceeding that budget. Having that experience will greatly benefit me in the future.
Esta experiencia ha sido bastante especial para mí porque me ha enseñado muchos valores en mi carrera personal y en mi carrera profesional. En lo personal me ha dado la oportunidad de saber quién quiero ser en el campo, quién quiero ser como persona y qué quiero ser en el futuro.
We're always here to find new people, new talent, bring new fresh perspectives into the world, into our industries. And with the mentorship program, we're here to guide them, build them a strong foundation to be successful and help build their future.